Hello everyone, I'm Jeff with Chock-a-Block. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to get the PIVX Core wallet up and running on a Mac. This will include how to download, install, encrypt, unlock, and back up the wallet. Now it's good practice to save important information regarding your wallet. So before we get started, please do the following. Grab an empty USB thumb drive and open up a blank text editing document. Go ahead and label the top of this document PIVX Core Wallet, and below it write Data Directory, passphrase, private key, and zpiv seed. We'll fill in this information as we go along. Step 1. Download. Open an internet browser on your computer and navigate to pivx.org. On this page, select Get PIVX and then Wallet. On the next page, select the option for Mac labeled .dmg. Step 2. Install. Once downloaded, navigate on your desktop to Finder, Downloads. Open the .dmg file. A modal will appear indicating that the file is opening. Afterwards, another window will appear asking you to add the PIVX Core application to your Applications folder. To do so, drag the PIVX icon to the folder and release. This will add the PIVX Core Wallet application to your Applications folder. To open the PIVX Core Wallet, navigate to your Applications folder via Finder or by selecting the shortcut button on your computer. Select the PIVX Core Wallet application. A window will appear asking if you are sure you want to open the application. Select Open. As the wallet starts up for the first time, you'll be asked to choose a location for the wallet's data directory. The data directory is where the wallet will download and store a copy of the PIVX blockchain. Because blockchain data grows over time, you'll want to choose a location with lots of available space. We'll go with the default. Copy your data directory location into your document, and select OK. As the wallet starts up, you'll first see a loading screen followed by the wallet itself. When the wallet opens, it will be out of sync with the network. Here, you'll see a red out of sync at the top. The wallet will automatically begin synchronizing with the network, the progress of which is displayed at the bottom of the wallet. This will include a progress bar and a label conveying the number of years and weeks the wallet is behind, as well as the block number it is currently scanning. You will learn more about what this means in a moment. The synchronization process can take up to several days to complete. Yes, several days. So it's best to leave the wallet open and running for the time being. If you have to shut down your computer before the wallet completes synchronization, that's okay. Just make sure to close out of the wallet before shutting down the computer. The next time you launch the wallet, it will pick up where it left off. Now, the reason the synchronization process takes so long is that during this time, your wallet is downloading and verifying all the blocks in the PIVX blockchain. In other words, it's getting its own up-to-date copy of the blockchain and making sure that it matches everyone else's in the network. For those of you who are still a bit unfamiliar with the mechanisms behind blockchain and cryptocurrency, here's a quick overview to provide you with a bit more context. Cryptocurrency, like PIV, is stored in wallets. Wallets are kept track of by a decentralized ledger. Decentralized ledgers are supported by computers connected in a peer-to-peer network. The computers in a peer-to-peer network leverage blockchain to store all the documented changes to the ledger over time. These changes are the result of people interacting with the wallets and the cryptocurrency they hold. In order to interact with these wallets, people must possess a secret key, which among other things allows them to send cryptocurrency from one wallet to another. As this happens, the computers supporting the entire system follow a specific protocol, allowing them to agree on what changes have occurred. The agreed upon information is stored in blocks which are continuously added to the blockchain over time. Here, each computer in the system maintains an identical copy of the blockchain. This is important as it lends itself to the whole decentralized nature of the entire system, a system that allows anyone to join as long as they have an up-to-date copy of the blockchain, which again, your wallet is currently acquiring. The average rate in which new blocks are added to the blockchain is called block time. PIVX has a block time of about 60 seconds, which means a new block is added to the PIVX blockchain every minute. That's 1,440 blocks a day, 525,600 blocks a year. And at the time of recording, the PIVX blockchain is just over 3 years old. Therefore, to fully synchronize with the network, your wallet must download and verify the 1.5 million plus blocks in the PIVX blockchain, and that's what takes the synchronization process so long. Now, there's a way to speed up this process by using what is called a snapshot. This involves grabbing a full copy of the blockchain from a trusted source and injecting it into the wallet's data directory. But we'll discuss the details of how to use the snapshot in another tutorial. Once your wallet finishes synchronizing with the PIVX blockchain, the red out of sync will disappear at the top of the wallet. However, the wallet will still need to synchronize with sporks, masternodes, masternode winners, and budgets. This will happen automatically and shouldn't take too long. If you see synchronization failed at any point during this period, don't fret. Just let the wallet do its thing. Once the wallet has completed synchronization, the progress bar in the bottom left will disappear, and the status indicator in the bottom right will turn into a green check. Congratulations, your wallet is now synchronized with the network. Step 3. Encrypt. To encrypt your wallet, go to Settings, Encrypt Wallet. You'll be asked to enter in a passphrase consisting of 10 or more random characters or 8 or more words. Write your passphrase in your document. For demonstration purposes, we'll use the simple passphrase of 12345678990, but please do not use this passphrase. Once you've entered your passphrase into both input fields, select OK. The next window is a confirmation modal warning you of the consequences of losing your passphrase. It's important to understand that there is no "I forgot my passphrase" feature as seen in web and mobile applications requiring login credentials. You and you alone are responsible for this passphrase. If you forget and lose your passphrase, you will lose access to your funds. Good thing you wrote it down. Go ahead and select Yes. The next window informs you that the wallet needs to close and restart for the encryption to take effect. Further, it warns you that any previous backups you've made of the wallet will become useless afterwards. This does not apply to you since we have not yet created a backup. However, if you jumped ahead and created a backup already, just make sure to create a new one once your wallet is encrypted. Select OK. The wallet will shut down. Once the wallet has fully closed, you'll need to restart it. Step 4. Unlock. Once the wallet has launched, you'll need to unlock the wallet. Unlocking the wallet allows it to stake any PIV it contains in order to earn rewards. We'll discuss staking in another tutorial. To do this, either navigate to Settings, Unlock Wallet, or select the lock icon at the bottom right of your screen. You'll be presented with a window asking you to enter in your passphrase, which you've conveniently written in your document. Make sure the checkbox for Anonymizing, Auto Mint, and Stake is unchecked. Select OK. You'll notice the lock icon in the bottom right now appears unlocked. Careful, if you accidentally click this icon, it will lock your wallet without any warning, possibly leaving you none the wiser. This is really only problematic if you are staking, as you will not be able to earn rewards when the wallet is locked. Step 5. Backup. Earlier in this tutorial, I mentioned that in order to interact with wallets, people use secret keys. During this step, we'll be backing up the secret keys pertaining to your wallet. Go ahead and insert your thumb drive into a USB port on your computer. Then, in the wallet, navigate to File, Backup Wallet. A screen will appear asking you where you want to save the file and what to name it. Select your thumb drive as a Save To location, and name the file PIVX Core Backup plus the date. Select Save. Next, navigate to File, Receiving Addresses. A window will appear listing the wallet receiving address. Highlight this receiving address by clicking on it and select Copy. Next, navigate to Tools, Debug Console. In the input field, enter the following: DUMPPRIVKEY. Add a space, add a quotation mark, paste in the receiving address you just copied, and add another quotation mark. Press Enter. The console will display your private key. Copy your private key and paste it into your document. Next, return to the console and type GETZPIVSEED. Press Enter. The console will display your ZPIV seed. Copy your ZPIV seed and paste it into your document. Next, save your document to your thumb drive. Here, label it PIVX Core Wallet plus the date. If you have a printer connected, print out this document. Once the document is saved to the thumb drive and or printed out, close the document. Do not save this document to your computer's hard drive. You should also clear the information from the console. Safely eject your thumb drive and place it and the printout in a safe place. Seriously, lock them up. If you forget your passphrase or your computer crashes permanently, these are the only items that will help you recover your funds. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded, installed, encrypted, unlocked, and backed up your wallet. That concludes this tutorial on how to get the PIVX Core Wallet up and running on a Mac. Until next time, I'm Jeff the Chocolate Block.